Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, and we do get this nice Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. You do get a spray-in bed liner. You got a 120-volt outlet. You can turn your bed lights on or off. Hooks and doodads hold your gear down. Measurements on the tailgate, as well as it is powered, so it will go up and down automatically through the key fob or through that button there. And all you have to do, and just in case you're like holding stuff in your hand, you can just knee it up and it will go up automatically for you. We do get running boards on each side view camera, turn light, and spotlight indicated, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do get remote start with this vehicle, as well as front park sensing, recovery hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior with flat fold storage system. You got cup holders, storage, rear vents, 120 volt with 2 USB-Cs, heated back seats, and you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, power folding mirrors with memory seats for up to 3 drivers, auto stop assert lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 44 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, photography screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we got My View, Trip and View, your heads-up display, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my rear, we got a gear select that is collapsible with storage, cup holders, wireless charging, some outlets, and it does close. We do get your center console that does turn into an interior work surface. You can put your laptop here, your paperwork, your food, totally up to you. And you do get your normal center console as well with 2 outlets down there. Rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, and drive modes. Rear lock, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12-volt, 120 storage buff below and on the dash. We do get a nice powered rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, your park sensing that you can turn on or off. We do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving, hazards traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at your audio here, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps in general, or any apps you may have downloaded. We'll show over here the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC00203, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.